Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to upload PDF files to Claude AI. So I've got Claude open here and I've started a new chat. This is what the new chat window looks like. And to upload a PDF document is really simple. Simply click on the plus button here in the prompt box and click on add files or photos. So it's going to open a Windows Explorer window, and here you can navigate to the file you want to upload. So here I'm going to upload this small document of some notes, as you can see here, and now I can ask it to do whatever it is I wanted to do with the document I wanted. So I can ask it to summarize it, I can ask it to convert it to a different file format, etc. So depending on your use case, you might also be interested in uploading it to a project. And what projects are is they're basically like file folders for Claude. They let you use the same files and instructions across multiple conversations. So for example, let's go here to this project right here. I have a few PDF documents that I have uploaded, and I've used Claude to help break down these PDF documents and explain them to me in more simpler terms, because these are scientific journals and they are a bit information dense and jargon heavy. So that's definitely another option available. Simply go to your project or create a new one by clicking on the new project button here if you don't already have one, and then within your project click on the plus button in the files. So click on upload device and it's pretty much the same process. You can go ahead and upload your PDF document that way. But overall, that's going to be it for this video. It's really quick and really easy. I hope you were able to follow along, and I hope I was able to teach you something useful. As always, thank you for watching.